to update a string? Yes, we can update a string by reassigning a new value to a specified index. Let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to clean this all from here, and I'm going to have an str number 1. It is going to be equal to let's go with hello Python. Okay, so right now I have the hello Python here, so I want to update this. Okay, for example, I want to add new things, I want to change it. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, let me use a print statement right over here, and then I'm going to say that updating string. Okay, then I can use something like this, and let's use a comma here to update this. So we have the str number 1 here. Okay, and I'm going to start from 6. Okay, start from the index 6, which is up to here. Okay, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This up to here. Okay, we have this space 2, and then I want to concatenate this. Okay, I want to concatenate this with something else like John. Okay, now if I save it and if I run it, you will see we have updating string, and it is telling me that hello John. You know, the main string is hello Python. Let's go and print that too. So I am going to say that this is the main string. Okay, so here I'm going to use str number 1 and save it. Run it again, and here you see that this is the main string. Okay, hello Python, and updating string. So when we updated that, you see that we have hello John. Instead of Python, now we have John. So it is how we can update a string. Okay.